Hello everyone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to interface our ultrasonic sensor with our Arduino microcontroller. First open your Arduino IDE software, then open a new file sketch. Here this code will be by default available. We don't want it, so we can simply delete it. Write down the code neatly. I'm gonna paste it. You can simply refer your manual for the code. In the experiment, as we know, we are going to use ultrasonic sensor. The sensor has two main pins. One is trigger pin and another is an echo pin. Trigger pin is an output pin, and whereas echo pin is an input pin. The trigger pin sends a signal to the nearby object, whereas the echo pin will receive the bounced back signal from the object. Here in the code we have two void. Here we are going to mention, or we are going to tell the software which pin is input and which pin is an output. Trigger is an output and echo is input, so we have written here. Next, in the loop we are going to make the trigger pin low. Then for 10 microseconds we will be sending the signal. Here is the main formula. Here the ultrasonic sensor will itself calculate the time interval, the distance, by referring to the time interval from sending and receiving, and that distance will be converted into centimeters using the code. This is the main logic behind this code. Next we are going to compile it. We have compiled it. Next, go to this box and select Arduino Uno. Next, plug in your USB cable. Here it appears. I'm going to select it. Next, I'm going to dump the code into the controller. We have uploaded. Next, open this magnifier looking icon. It is known as serial monitor. Here, as you can see, our data has appeared. You can see the data is varying because the data depends completely on the distance between the sensor and the object in front of it.
So the next experiment will be on ultrasonic sensor. Here you can see it has 4 pins: VCC, trigger, echo and ground. It works on the voltage of 3.3 volts. A trigger pin acts as an output device and the echo pin acts as an input device. So as we have written the program in the Arduino IDE and also dumped the program in the Arduino Uno. So let's make the connection. As you have seen here, ground connected to the ground terminal of the Arduino Uno, echo pin to pin 10, trigger pin to 9, and VCC to 3.3 volt. So let's make the connection. As you have seen the program in the serial monitor, the distance was measuring. By doing the measurements, it will take the distance and convert it into centimeters and gives the output, as you have seen previously in the serial monitor.